It's been amazing, really inspiring. Like, every time someone opens their mouth, I'm just like, what? Like, amazed at what comes out, and it kind of just makes me feel inspired to get more deep with my kōrero and appreciate more the different mediums that our beautiful ringatoe of Ngāpuhi do. Before the first wānanga, I was making jewellery using silversmith as a base, and then started to learn how to shape stone and then kind of blend the two, merge the two. The reason why I came here was because I wanted to start incorporating whakairo into my mahi, and specifically learning the kōrero from Ngāpuhi, and if there was any particular designs that we're well known for, or also like learning what's appropriate to use. It would be cool if there was like, you know, oh, that's the bro, blah, blah, blah's mahi, or, you know, like starting to notice all of our like mahi everywhere, not even just in Te Tai Tokerau, just anywhere in Aotearoa, even overseas would be cool. I'm looking forward to seeing where this collective goes, and still want to be a part of it and come back as a raukura, because yeah, I just want to give back to the next people coming through of like what we've gained, and maybe spark like an interest on their haringa. Maybe they want to come back to Te Ao Māori and learn more, and so we can be everywhere. Don't be afraid to try. If you think like, oh nah, like everybody else is way better, or oh that's mean, I could never do that. Like, don't be afraid to just give it a go, because you might surprise yourself. You might actually be like, oh, that's mean. Like, I've surprised myself. Like, I never thought that I would do print or like be carving, do printing, or even thought that I could even do anything, really. Until I just decided one day, like, what do I have to lose? I'm just going to give it a go. And I feel like, yeah, we are our biggest, like, obstacle, like the person that gets in the way. And if you just can get past, like, those thoughts or, like, yourself, then, man, you can do anything.